English time! Hello guys, today we will be learning the verb to be in the present tense. With the subject I, we say, I am, and with the subjects you, we, and they, the verb to be takes the form are. For example, we say, I am from Canada, she is from Canada, they are from Canada. To use the negative form of the verb to be, we simply add not after conjugating the verb to be. There is nothing easier than that. Now, if you want to ask a question, you simply invert the subject and the conjugated verb to be positions and add the argument, and finally add the question mark. We saw earlier how to ask a question using the verb to be. Now we will see together how to answer such question. For starters, when we answer with yes, we simply add the subject followed by the conjugated verb to be. If we answer with no, we simply add the subject followed by the conjugated verb to be. The last part is the word not, which is for negation. I hope that you've benefited from this video. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends.